Welcome to Tesla Conversations, a channel dedicated to giving you information of how Tesla is changing and disrupting different economies through technology and innovations headed by Elon Musk. Kindly consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell for future videos, and if you love the content, kindly put a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm so that it can reach to as many people as possible. Today, I will be continuing with the Tesla acquisition series. You can check my previous video on the acquisition of Grumman Engineering, Maxwell Technologies, and HIRAR systems. I will leave the links in the description below. I will be covering the acquisition of Riviera Tools on this video. Tesla's first acquisition happened in May 2015 for the Michigan-based tool and die maker Riviera Tools. This was as a result of them planning to ramp up to build more models from the Model S, their first sedan. Riviera Tools was a medium-sized tool and die company that specialized in constructing stamping die systems, the machinery that stamps large sheets of metal into auto parts, which will be shipped to Tesla's assembly plant in Fremont, California. They had approximately 100 employees. In a press statement, Tesla said that it purchased Michigan-based Riviera Tools LLC of Cascade Township in Michigan. Tesla says the purchase would help increase production as it introduces more models of the vehicles they are producing. Riviera Tools could help them with building of new plastic parts and new metal forming development, a spokeswoman from Tesla said through email. At the time, as the Detroit Free Press reports, during the time, Tesla acquired the Grand Rapids-based auto supplier, giving the Silicon Valley technology company a manufacturing presence in Michigan. Riviera, which made stamping parts that were shipped to Tesla's assembly plant in Fremont, California, had about 100 employees. Tesla, after the acquisition, retained those workers and eventually renamed their operations from Michigan under Tesla Michigan and said they will hire more employees going forward. At a news conference in January 2015 at the Automotive News World Congress event in Detroit, Elon Musk told reporters that he won't rule out building a plant in Michigan in the future. It's not out of question. Maybe Michigan shouldn't stop us from selling cars there. That would be a nice gesture, he said. We are excited to have reached a deal with Riviera and have a presence in the state of Michigan and bring additional tool building capabilities in-house, a Tesla spokesperson said in an email after the acquisition. This acquisition will help us build new stamping and plastic parts in cost-effective manner, support new metal forming technology development, and allow us to increase production as we introduce more models, she continued on the email. This shows that Tesla saw the acquisition as a way to build new stamping and plastic parts in a cost-effective manner, as well as support new metal forming technology development, allowing Tesla to increase production as it introduces more models. The Riviera Tool facility had a large footprint that was not really being fully utilized then. This provided an opportunity for Tesla to leverage the space for additional manufacturing needs, including injection mold and die casting tooling and or part production. Additionally, Tesla could choose to utilize this facility for other industries outside of automotive, such as the Powerwall home battery system that was announced in 2015. The former Riviera Tool and Die, now Tesla Michigan, was already making integral manufacturing parts for us. It made sense for us to adopt a supplier now as one of our own. Will Nicholas, a Tesla representative, told Grand Rapids TV station Wood TV in 2015. This acquisition has lived to its expectations as Tesla have introduced various models like the Model X, the Model 3, the Model Y, the Tesla Semi, the Cybertruck, and the next-gen Roadster. This also shows that Tesla's plans for ramping up the vehicle production have been successful as a result of this acquisition. Ours is now to hope and believe that Elon Musk and the team at Tesla Michigan continues to improve on their tool technologies to help Tesla in the ramping up of the various models that they have announced over the past few years. I will put all the links of the various references of this video in the description. Kindly consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell for future videos, and if you love the content, kindly put a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm so that it can reach to as many people as possible. Thanks and see you in the next. This is Rastas.